Want to explore the exciting world of Solana dApps without spending any real money? This video will guide you on how to get free test tokens in your Phantom wallet so you can experiment risk-free. First things first, make sure you have Phantom wallet installed. If not, head over to Phantom app and install it in your browser. Once installed and set up, open your Phantom wallet. Look for the network selection option in the settings menu. Click the network selection and switch from Solana mainnet beta to Devnet. Devnet is a test environment where you can get free tokens. Now, open your web browser and navigate to solfo.com. This is a common faucet used for getting test tokens on the Solana Devnet. The website will automatically detect your Phantom wallet address. If it doesn't, you can copy and paste it from your Phantom wallet interface. Click the Request Solve button. You might need to complete a simple CAPTCHA verification. A small transaction notification confirming the airdrop should appear. Go back to your Phantom wallet, and you should see the test SOL tokens added to your balance. Congratulations! You now have test SOL to play around with on Devnet. Have fun! Test out all the dApps you want. Explore, experiment, and learn without ever touching your real funds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Solana and Phantom wallet tips and tricks.